We'll guide you through how to compare Inkscape and Affinity Designer so you can decide which one is best for your design needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Inkscape website to download the latest version if you haven't already. Inkscape is a free and open source vector graphics editor, which makes it a popular choice for those who want to start designing without an upfront cost. Once installed, launch Inkscape and you'll notice its straightforward interface with a wide range of tools on the left sidebar. Perfect for vector drawing and editing. It supports SVG format natively, which is great for web use. Next, head over to the Affinity Designer website. Affinity Designer offers a free trial, but it is a paid software known for its advanced features and smooth performance. After downloading and installing Affinity Designer, open it up and you'll see a more modern interface compared to Inkscape with a focus on intuitive user experience. One of the standout features of Affinity Designer is its persona switching, allowing you to switch between vector and raster workspaces seamlessly. This versatility can be a significant advantage for more complex projects. With both software open, try creating a simple vector shape, and each Inkscape's toolset is extensive and highly customizable, which can be great for those who like to tweak every detail. Affinity Designer, on the other hand, offers precise control and advanced snapping options, making it ideal for professional grade work. Consider the learning curve as well. Inkscape might take a bit longer to master due to its vast array of options, while Affinity Designer is designed to be user-friendly for beginners and seasoned designers alike. Think about your workflow needs and budget to choose the one that fits best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.